Hello! In this video I will show you how to perform a hard reset through recovery mode on OPPO K12x. So you have to start by powering off your device. And now when your device is completely powered off, you have to press power button and volume down button at the same time. And now you have to choose your language by using volume buttons and confirm your choice by pressing power button. And here select format data. Now you have to enter confirmation code. And then press format. Then click OK. And as you can see, my phone is now back to its factory settings and I have to do phone setup all over again. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.